Hello everyone! Now I will show you the Vortex Indicator. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the Vortex Indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the DLL imports in the settings window. The Vortex Indicator for MT4 provides you with trend direction, trend strength and buy and sell trading signals. The indicator has two simple oscillating lines. You can use these lines to determine the beginning of a new trend and the best pivot points. It's also very useful for intraday and trend traders and can be easily incorporated in multiple trading methods. Let's take a look at the indicator using a currency pair chart as an example. The V plus line in blue color is the uptrend line and the V minus line in red color is the downtrend line. If the blue line is at the top, it indicates the presence of a buy trend. On the other hand, the presence of a red line at the top indicates a sell trend. Thanks to its simple visualization, the indicator helps the trader to follow the trend very easily and stay in its direction. Another vital aspect of the Vortex MetaTrader indicator is to provide you with the trend strength. The deviation of the indicator lines from each other show the strength of the trend. The more lines move away from each other, the stronger the market movement, and vice versa. The closer lines, the weaker market trend. The indicator settings is only 1 point. VI length, it's a period to calculate. A higher value will provide less number of signals. The Vortex Indicator is the best trend indicator for intraday and long-term traders, because the indicator covers all aspects of the trend, namely trend direction and trend strength. Moreover, the crossover of the lines provides the trend trading signals. Furthermore, the indicator is free to download by the link below the video. Bye bye!